Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the My Firestone app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. My Firestone is a mobile app designed to help vehicle owners manage tire and auto services efficiently. The app integrates features such as appointment scheduling, service reminders, vehicle maintenance tracking, tire and battery purchases, and access to exclusive promotions, all in one place. It also supports order tracking, service history review, and nearby store location for convenience. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate its clean interface, fast navigation, and helpful scheduling tools. It allows vehicle owners to book services, track past maintenance, and access product recommendations on the go. Many also like the reminders and loyalty program integration for discounts and rewards. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional syncing issues or limited functionality compared to the full website. Certain regional promotions or store-specific features may not appear immediately, and some users feel navigation between multiple services could be smoother. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the My Firestone app may be worth using if you're a vehicle owner looking for a mobile-friendly way to manage auto maintenance, schedule appointments, and track service history. It shines in convenience, reminders, and loyalty program integration. However, if you need all features immediately or live in an area with limited coverage, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.